Welcome to the second part of Force and Laws of Motion. Today we'll discuss about Newton's first law of motion. As a part of making science learning fun, we'll understand this law with fun activities like Christmas tree fall, Polly on the flip card, Humpty Dumpty on the roll, and Crazy ball acting crazy. Newton's first law of motion is also known as the law of inertia. Before we begin with the law, let us understand what is inertia. Inertia is the property of a body to resist any change in its state of rest or of uniform motion. This simply means that if an object is at rest, it wants to remain at rest, while if an object is in motion, it wants to continue moving with the same speed and in the same direction. Let us understand the relation between mass and inertia with help of an activity. This activity proves that heavier bodies have more inertia. Now let's make Newton's first law of motion little simpler. We will first observe the activities to understand that objects at rest tries to remain at rest, and then the objects in motion try to remain in motion. These fun activities clearly explain that when an object is at rest, it tries to remain at rest until an unbalanced force acts on it. Now this covers the first part of law of inertia. Let's now cover the second part, where we will see that when an object is in motion, it continues to be in motion. The simple activities just shown prove that when an object is in motion, it will continue to be in motion until an unbalanced force acts on it. Now the fun part. Let's identify which type of inertia is shown in the given activities.